I have a very exciting video. Can't wait to upload TikTok. Upload it. Go ahead and upload it. Wait a minute. What the heck is this? Never seen this before. I just recently had my phone upgrade to the latest Android operating system. I've never seen this before. So if you encounter this problem where they share the best moments on TikTok, like you just first downloaded the app, here's the fix. So what I'm going to do is go to change the settings under all. Under permissions, I'm going to disable everything. Don't allow for the camera. Don't allow for the microphone. Don't allow for photos and videos. Okay. Don't allow for contacts. Don't allow for music and audio. I think that... Hold on. There are more stuff. Don't allow. So we confirm that. Notification. That's not allowed. Everything is not allowed. Alright. So now I am going to close the app. Force to close. Restart TikTok. Attempt to upload a video. I'm going to say while using the app. While using the app. Look. There you go. That fixed it. And to confirm that it works, I am going to attempt to upload a video. Let's say this.
Looking for a pair of sandals.
Hey, there you go.
I'm looking for a pair of blue sandals.
And this shows that it's uploading 83%. And it shows that it works. Hope this helps. Best of luck.